Tired of seeing that annoying connecting screen when trying to play your favorite games on Google Play Games? Let's dive into some quick fixes to get you back in the game. Starting with the most basic, ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi signal or cellular data. A weak connection is the most common culprit. Next, let's clear the Google Play Games app cache. Go to your phone settings, then tap Apps. Find Google Play Games in the list, tap on it, and then select Storage Now. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. If clearing the cache didn't work, try clearing the data. Be warned, this will reset the app, so you might need to sign back in on the same storage screen. Tap Clear Data. Confirm when prompted. Outdated app versions can also cause connection problems. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Google Play Games. If there's an update button, tap it to ensure you're running the latest version. Believe it or not, incorrect date and time settings can interfere with Google Play Games. Go to your phone settings, then General Management or System, and then Date and Time. Make sure automatic date and time is enabled. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has resolved your Google Play Games connectivity issues. Now you can get back to racking up those achievements and enjoying seamless multiplayer gaming. Happy gaming!